Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, if the numbers 7x minus 1, 8x plus 2 and 11x minus 1 are in AP, then what is the second number? Firstly, the progression of the form A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D is known as an AP, where A is given as the first term and D is the common difference. The value of x can be found out with the help of the formula, which is arithmetic mean formula. So, by arithmetic mean formula, b equals to a plus c by 2, where a, b, c are in AP. Here A is 7x minus 1. Then B is 8x plus 2. C is 11x minus 1. So, with the help of this formula, let's find out the value of x. So, B means 8x plus 2 equals to A means 7x minus 1 plus C means 11x minus 1 divided by 2. So it is 7x plus 11x, that is 18x minus 2 divided by 2. So 16x plus 4 equals to 18x minus 2. So it will give 2x equals to 6. If we divide throughout by 2, we get x equals to 3. Then the second number is, hence, with x equals to 3, the second number is 8 into 3 plus 2. So it is 26.